How to create empty views activity in Android Studio. So as you can see, I've successfully created an empty view activity and it was successful. So I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing. What you have to do is that you have to open Android Studio. Okay, if you haven't installed it, you have to install it. Then you open it right from your system. So when you open it, it will say welcome to Android Studio. And then from here, come and then make sure that you select project. Okay, so when you select project, simply come here to where we have new project and come and then click on it to select it. So from the new project over here, you see that we have the template, we have phone and tablet, we have all this. So come and then select phone and tablet. Okay, and then among it you see so many activities. Okay, so among the activities you will see that we have the empty views activity right here. Just come and then click on it to select it. Okay, so after selecting the empty views activity, simply come here and then come and click on the next. And then over here, all that you have to do is that you have to come and then create a new empty view activity. Okay, so first, the thing that you have to do first is to simply come and then put in the name. Okay, so you can put in the name of your app. So mine is my new app. So the package name is going to take that of your app name. Okay, and then the location where you want to save it, you can change it if you don't want it. Okay, so mine is saved at desktop. And then the language too, so it's Kotlin. Okay, and then over here the minimum SDK. Okay, that's the minimum Android version. You can simply come and then click on it. Okay, and then you can go through and then select the one that you prefer, but by default Android version 7.0 is selected. That one is best, and then it runs on most of the Android apps. Okay, so as you can see, it runs on most of the Android apps, so you can leave it like that. And then the build configuration language too, you can leave it at the recommended one. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on the finish, and over here it is going to create it for you. Okay, all I have to do is simply allow it to import the Gradle. So as you can see from here, you can come and then click here and you will see the progress bar that it is importing the Gradle. Okay, and then from here you can come and then click on this, that is the build, and then you see the progress of your building. Okay, so as you can see, it is building. It will download all the necessary dependents. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply wait for it to download. So when you come here to the notification icon and then click on it, you see that it is taking significant amount of time to download all the dependencies. Okay, so you have to give it time to do the downloads for you. Okay, and you can simply come here as well and then you can come and then minimize the progress bar. Okay, and then allow it to download. So as you can see, it has successfully finished, and from here it was a success. Okay, so now the next thing is that you have to connect your Android phone to it. Okay, so that you can run and then see that it was successful by clicking on the run. So what you have to do now is to simply connect a cable, a USB cable to your laptop and then to that of your phone, and then come and then make sure that USB doubling is allowed. Okay, so you can go to the developer options settings and then come and then make sure that USB doubling is checked and then allowed, so that it will be displayed right on your phone. Okay, and then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the run, and that is it. It is going to run and then it will be displayed. So as you can see, so the Gradle is building, and then you can see the progress bar of the Gradle after connecting your USB cable to that of your laptop and then that of your Android phone. You will see that hello world will be printed on your phone. Okay, so it shows that we have successfully created a new empty view and it was successful. Okay, so this is actually how to do it. So the next thing is that you can simply come here to the notification bar and you will see from there that it was successful. Okay, so you have to make sure that you save everything. Okay, so from here, this was the Techno phone that I connected, and I can simply come in and click on the stop to stop it. Okay, and as you can see from here, we have successfully built it. So the Android is here, the apps, and then the Gradle script, everything is here. When you click here, the apps, you see everything is inside. Okay, So now that we have successfully been able to create it, you have to come and then save it. So you come and click on the menu, you see all these options, and then among them you see that you have save all. Come and click on the save all, and from here you see that it is saving it for you, and you have to simply allow it to finish saving. So it has successfully finished saving. You can come and then click on the close to close it. So over here, simply come and then click on the exit, and that is it. So this is the folder that we just created. When you right click and then you click on open, you will see that we have everything right inside our folder. Okay, so this is actually how to create an empty views activity in Android Studio.